Hey everybody, Jane Hamill, and I'm just hopping on to make this quick video to show you about an email list building strategy that is working like crazy for my clients. I've tested it now with, I don't know, 13, 14 private clients from jewelry design, apparel, athletic, activewear, pet products, pre-launch companies, big companies. Like this list building strategy is really working. And it has to do with a simple thing called a product tester. Now, I'm going to give you a quick overview and tell you about it. So basically, what it is this is from a presentation. Let me just show you the important stuff here. All right. So what is it? It's a way to build your email list with qualified prospects, not just freebie seekers. So, hey, would you like to be a product tester for us? Join our list and you can do it is a carrot that you can dangle to get people on your list. It's something you can trade. And it gets you qualified people, not just freebie seekers or sneakers too. And it really is working for all of my clients. I just mentioned the niches that they're in here. Erica, all different kinds of products, but stuff like physical stuff. So if you sell a journal or, candles or anything, home goods, it doesn't really matter. So it's the whole point is for your life to be easier. So you have a steady flow of consistent email signups without any extra work on your part. We all know the value of an email list. The ROI of email is, according to HubSpot, 42 to 1, 44 to 1, something like that. For every $1 you spend in emails marketing, you get $44 back. So, there's nothing that even comes close. If you have 100 people on your list, 1,000 people, 10,000 people, it's the same amount of work on your part. So your business is easier if you have an engaged email list. Just easier, full stop, end of discussion. You do not need to be hustling all the time on social media when you have an engaged list. You have a way to make money quickly and easily if you have a list. So that's why we're doing it, okay? This strategy, I'm going to show you a video right now. Let me pause this here. I want to just show you how one of my clients used it. Her name is Magdalena from MNOP Jewelry. She's an absolute boss. Okay, let me just grab this little video up in here. And this is the video she made, talking face to camera to promote, hey, would you like to be a product tester? Get on my list. Here we go.
Jewelry and help us make the most comfortable earrings possible. Me and Lena are currently designing new sleeping earrings, and to ensure they are comfortable on many different ears and people. To ensure that, we need to test them on more people than me and Lena. So if you want to help us, you can get 2 to 3 pair of earrings for free, and in exchange you just have to answer a small form about how you like the earring and send us some photos so we can see how they fit on you. And we're looking for like 5 to 7 people maybe, and you can apply to be our guinea pig for this new earrings at www.mnop.com/test.
So folks, all she did, it was make one video. Actually, I think she might have made two, one for like, hey, do you want to do this? The second one for, hey, last call to apply to be a product tester. So there's more to the strategy, but basically that's it. You announce, we're going to choose a few winners, but you do, or not winners, but we're going to choose a few people to participate in helping us design this thing or use this thing or try our new color or see if these earrings are comfortable to sleep in, like Magdalena did from MNOP Jewelry. So this gets you email subscribers who are the most likely to buy, much more engaged than social following. You get leads. You get then from this strategy, customer pictures, UGC, user generated content, which gives you that social proof. You get product reviews from this strategy. You get such hella engagement, even from strangers. This is the type of thing that people share. Kimberly from K Becker Designs, she is just starting out, you guys. She hasn't, well, actually, she did just launch like 2 weeks ago. And she built her pre-launch email list with this strategy. And so she does petites and other petite women shared this. Hey, Kimberly's designing this line. It's for us, for petites. She needs our help. She's going to be choosing a few product testers. Click here. And people shared it like crazy in different Facebook groups. So it really is all the things. And we are teaching it. Magdalena is teaching it. It's a really, really well priced. I think you're going to be happy. Email list building workshop. Right now, depending when you watch this, the introductory price is $9 whole. Give me your $9. Look at this. 75 new signups, 74 submissions for the product tester. One of my clients, oh, hey, Jane, I'm just trying to gauge if it's going well. So far, 415 people-ish. Thoughts on this? Thoughts are that's good. So you can go to fashionbrandacademy.com/tester. And for $9 whole, you can get that workshop immediately. We just taped it yesterday. The feedback has been off the hook. You'll learn from me, but you'll learn from Magdalena. She teaches you her exact strategy. And let me tell you, people, she gives you her scripts, all of her scripts that she used for every step of the process. She puts a task list together with her notes. She gives you exactly what to say, and she gives you exactly what she did for each step. It's not complicated, but there's a way to do it that can get you not only leads, but actually money. Because for the product testers, for the people who don't win, you can have a way to contact them. When she made $1,000 from that email, like, sorry, you didn't win. But there's this very specific way to do it. So you don't just get freebie seekers. This is not a free giveaway. It's very, very different. It's like, would you like to be part of this with us? Totally different strategy. They have to jump through hoops to sign up. It's working like crazy. fashionbrandacademy.com/tester. Go get it now. I don't know how long it'll be at $9, but it's been really, really, really good. Honestly, building a list, it'll change your life. It'll change how much you have to work. It'll change your bank account. It'll change how well you sleep at night. You know that you can create sales if you have a list. This is the best way I've ever seen in 14 years to build a list of engaged people. Go get it. Have a great day. Bye, guys.